So you should not fool us because we are not fools. Continue from there.
Did you finish? First of all, I will not give you my information here in the TikTok. That's first of all. Second things, I'm not going to cover up because if you don't believe this word, it's up to you because we are not covering anybody else. We will put anybody in the jail.
Let's keep it polite, huh?
No. Wait. Yes. I'm telling to you. Third things, I'm not telling to you you are a liar. Okay, if you have evidence, I am telling to you now in front of all these people. If you are here in Saudi Arabia or anybody, you are presenting the African, right? Can we meet tomorrow in Jeddah and we'll go to the court together? And we will present all these cases and I will be at your side?
Thank you, KSA.
Can you?
I will go, KSA, I will go to court to you if you tell me who are you in that home.
Because you are saying I am going to cover up. I'm not going to cover up. I am going to bring the truth outside.
We go with
Barrister Timothy.
Who is in charge.
Timothy.
When I meet him, he will know what my work in the
KSA thinks I'm a fool. Okay. KSA thinks I'm a fool. Look at this. I am accusing him. Then he's the one to take me to court. And I am the one accusing him. How do you see me as a goat? I am accusing you. So you should wait for my reactions. I am accusing you.
Why? You don't want to bring the truth? You don't want to bring the truth out?
I understand what he's saying. He's the one.
I understand. He's not accusing me because I'm not making any operation for them. I am telling you, you want to bring the truth out. Let us to go to the court together. Can you? Can you give me your phone number?
Okay. In a police, I am giving you my phone number after this. In a police, Timothy learned this. In a police, there is something we call suspecting until separation. And another thing, there is something we call pending under investigation. Another thing, there is something we call another thing we call suppression until it suppresses out. This man here, he is saying that, and the first thing that you will know that someone is guilty, they will always defend themselves. A guilty person will work on defending themselves. Another thing, someone who is guilty will rush to things. Another thing about someone who is guilty, they will have to talk too much. Now, we want to act, not talking.
Too much.
Wait.
That's why
because I am talking on behalf of many people.
Because you are talking on behalf of the African. I will tell you one word. Are you willing to go with the police?
I am willing.
We will go together and we'll make the case together. We will go together to make.
No. Who are you?
You are not accusing me. We will go together to the police and we will make the case.
I'll take it on.
I will be at your side. I will be at your side and we will go to make the case together. I will file the case in behalf of the African. You see? In the behalf of African, I will make the case.
KSA. As per my knowledge, KSA stands for a short form of Saudi Arabia, right? What's your good name, brother?
My name is Fahad.
Fahad. Okay, Mr. Fahad, I'll address you as Fahad, right? So, Fahad, if you're not willing to say what position you held in the hospital, there is no way Peter can have a case with you. What if you're just...
I will tell you something.
What if you're just...
I will ask you something. I will tell you something.
Listen to me.
This is a TikTok, not a police station, not a court.
Exactly.
I cannot give my competition.
Why did you send a request? No. Because you wanted to react to our allegations, right?
I want to tell about all this, what's going on and what's the rules in Saudi Arabia. You see, I'm asking you. You want us to go? So civilized. This is TikTok, okay? This is not a true life. Do you see me? Do you know me? Do I know you?
Why did you send a request on TikTok?
Because you are talking so many things about my country.
No,
it's not true.
It's because you want to suppress our allegation. This is why you're here.
I am not going to suppress. I'm asking you. Are you willing to go to give me your number and we go together to the police?
Timothy, that we need to discuss this because you cannot here, or else you will wait for us at the police.
Wait, Timothy, I beg you, please. People of this kind are not to be dealt with a calm person like you. I am the one who belongs to that kingdom. KSA, I was waiting for you from morning. Please don't talk again, Timothy. I was waiting for this, Timothy. For this KSA. KSA, today I called him out loud. Fahad, where are you? He went and went and collect a lot of statistics for nothing. Now you are coming, I am still here. I am called the MVP. Now face
Do you
me as
think
an
I am
MVP.
like you? I don't have work. I
Okay,
am 24
let
hours
me tell
in
you
TikTok.
something. Number one, you are a very coward. You are a coward person. Why are you coward?
You are a
Because
fucking liar. You know why? You know why?
Let me
Because you
tell
are
you
making a
something.
story about Saudi
You
Arabia.
are coward.
No, I will tell you
No,
something.
you are
You are
coward.
making a story
That's
about
not
Saudi
true.
Arabia. You know why? Because you are making a
These are
fucking story.
facts.
We are not
These
stealing a
are
kidney.
facts,
Now in
okay?
front of them, I told you
Let
we will
me
go
tell
together
you,
to the
man,
court, and you
there
said
is
no,
no
I cannot go to the
single
court. I tell you we will go to the police. You said I cannot go to police.
Yes,
How you
if
are
you
representing
want,
African and you
there
are
is
a
nothing
coward
you're
and you are
saying.
afraid? So
There's
don't be
nothing you're saying.
afraid. You must
And you
not to be
better
afraid.
drop here because you are talking nothing.
I want to make something clear. I don't want bad blood or bad energy on my life. I want a civil discussion. Somebody says something and you react to the question. That's it. As simple as that. With all due respect, KSA, you came on our platform simply because you want to react to our accusation or to our statements. Then we want to know you're reacting in what position, in what dignity are you reacting? We are not here to speak to any random Saudi person who comes in. This is why we've been having a very respectful conversation with Mr. Khalid because he identified himself. We know in what capacity are we talking to him. So Peter is very right. Peter is having an accusation. You cannot tell him, you meet me tomorrow, we go to the police. In what capacity? Whether you're working at the hospital, you can be working at the hospital in so many different ways. A hospital has a cleaner, it has a gate man, it has a security guy, it has everybody. You can be working at the hospital in any domain. So we here, if you cannot identify yourself and your position, then we don't hold any explanation to you. You don't tell any explanation to us.
Yes,
Keep the conversation civil. Please.
Yeah,
Please.
guys.
Do I have a point,
Guys,
Do I?
we are on live stream, and
Exactly.
this
Do I have a point?
this behavior it could be get the live stream banned, and we don't need this. We need.
This is why I want to
continue
calm
this
it down. I mute
So,
everyone.
Yeah,
I mute everyone.
I'm not related with the King Fahd Hospital, but
Yeah.
I am here responsible. If you give me all the documents, I mean the passport only,
Exactly.
or the passport number with the full names, and I promise you guys, we will do the investigation by the government for all these cases which has happened in the King Fahd Hospital, all these accusations. So this is my opinion, and this is what I'm looking for. We are not against you guys. We are on your side. So please remember that.
Yeah. Do you know, Khalid?
Alright.
Do you know why I mute everyone? Because I don't want this exchange. It's not healthy. It's not helping.
Yeah.
All along, we've been having a peaceful conversation.
Even Timo, even the hospital members or the hospital employees, they are not allowed to do the investigation, even especially for these type of cases. They can do investigation on some cases, small cases or something like this, but in these major cases, the government, the one who only responsible to find out what's going on this hospital, especially this hospital is belong 100% to the government.
Yeah.
Right. So there is no private sector in this hospital. So please, guys, if you
This
know
is
the
a government
names,
hospital.
yes, it is a government hospital and totally government hospital. So please provide us with the full names.
Okay.
My number is with Mr. Timo. You can call him and he will give you my phone number. I have a WhatsApp on this number. If you don't want to call, just send the documents, send the names and the date of the operation, and we're going to do the investigation by the CCTV cams, and we're going to investigate with all the doctors, all the hospitals members, everyone seeking for the justice. Thank you very much.
Yeah, this is why I was going to remove KSA because now he doesn't stand in any position. He's not the spokesperson of the hospital. He's not in any position.
And please, I know some comments they going against me. I know they don't.
No, don't read the comment section. You speak to us.
No, some
Talk
of
to
them
me,
I
talk
said.
to Peter.
Some of them I said. We are not wasting time here, guys, to covering all the crimes or covering Saudi Arabia. No, we are here to seek for the justice for all the workers, even for our people, even for the Saudi citizen. If they have the rights, we are seek the justice for him. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Peter,
Khalid.
talk to Khalid as a
You are speaking as 10 men gathered together. Number one, we are people who are very wise. We know the law. And the law does not allow any citizen just to wake up early in the morning and go to the court. We cannot. I cannot even lie on the stories about this man called Fahad, because Fahad has been changing accounts day in, day out. So if he could not manage one TikTok account with a real name, even if it was different accounts but with a real name, I am Peter Kioi from now till death. This guy KSA came with another account today. Yesterday he had another account. So if you cannot maintain your own name, can you even maintain some people's health, some people's status? Can you even maintain something to stand with me and quarrel or talk? No. Let us talk about something different here. Khalid, I would want to beg you that, because Timothy will not reach everyone, and you may be of help. Please provide a number that it will be basically for those people who will reach you out directly, because most of them will tell you if it is so.
That's not correct, Peter. It's not correct, because Khalid is not a state. He cannot control.
And
not a
I
call
believe
center.
it's not allowed to me to announce the numbers in front of the people. So I
Another
give it to Timo. And please, guys, announce this for all the colleagues, for all the live stream, for all your relatives, for all your friends. Don't just keep the numbers and keep the solution for yourself. Just share it with your people.
Yeah,
if you have an information or you have anything, just share it with your friend, with your colleague, with your relative.
Even though me, I will tell you honestly, Timothy, I'm very honest. Khalid is here. Everyone is here on this live. Why would I lie? Me, I will never trust one of the Arabs and Saudi Arabia government people.
Peter, your voice is lost. Peter, your network, I can't hear you. Anyway, Khalid, you're still here?
Let me repeat again, Timo, please. Once again. Please, guys, anyone
Peter, send your request again.
working in Saudi Arabia, or he knows someone working in Saudi Arabia, or he has a relatives working in Saudi Arabia currently, and they are facing a lot of issues, abusing, food, sleepless, whatever. Just talk with Timo, get my number, send me by WhatsApp, or just call me, and we will support you. Thank you very much.
Okay, Khalid, before you go.
Yeah.
Khalid.
Yes, sir.
I want to continue this kidney conversation tomorrow, because this is a very big.
I know it's very big issue, Timo, but I'm not related with the Ministry of Health, so I don't know what's going on there. But
Khalid, do you mind if we have another discussion tomorrow with somebody of in position to answer our questions tomorrow? Yeah. Can you invite anyone?
Yeah.
It will be of good help, because I've talked to you now, and I've got so much good information I will need to share to the rest.
Yeah. Someone asked that's my private account, and did you know that? I don't need you to use my TikTok account, guys. You will find my mobile number with Mr. Timo, the host of the live. So he can provide my number to you, and you can just WhatsApp me or call me. All right?
Okay. Khalid.
Okay. Yes, Timo. What type of people you need?
Okay, so one, I would like, can you get me anyone from the enforcement?
Okay. I believe they are perhaps to get
anyone
in social media.
CID or policeman or anyone.
Listen, Timo, they will represent themselves as individuals. They will not represent their organizations. Yeah.
We want to hear their point of view, as I've heard yours as well.
Okay.
It's fine?
Yeah. I'll try.
Okay, tomorrow we'll host another live and see. I see where this discussion.
Anytime.
Yeah, I see so many people telling me, be careful with Khalid, blah, blah, blah. But whatever happens to me, Allah knows better. Whether Khalid is bad or good, I don't care. Allah knows. We meet
call
at
me
the end of the
anytime.
day.
I'm here with you. All
no
guys.
problem. Anyway, Khalid, I have one big point of discussion before I let you go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Khalid, you have a maid at home, right?
Yeah.
Approximately how much do you buy one maid?